Hello guys, my name is Fenty Nurulahan. I'm a student from Stika Negara, and I will explain to coughing and sneezing etiquette. Cough and sneeze etiquette refers to simple hygiene practice everybody can take to prevent passing on respiratory infection like cold and flu to other people. Why is cough and sneeze etiquette important? When someone with a cold or flu infection cough or sneezes, they release respiratory droplet. The droplet released during coughing and sneezing may be inhaled, or they may land on a person's hand or hard surface where the virus particle can survive for hours. How to practice good cough and sneeze etiquette? Step 1. Cover your cough and sneezes. Cover your mouth and nose every time you cough or sneezes. Use a disposable tissue like this. If a cough or sneeze sneaks up on you and no tissue is available, cough or sneeze into your upper sleeve. This prevents your hands becoming contaminated with cold or flu virus. Okay, for the example, with a tissue, with a sleeve. Step 2. Dispose of or clean contaminated product immediately. Step 3. Ensure your hands are hygienically cleaned. Wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds every time you cough or sneeze. And step 4. Avoid touching the face. Avoid close contact with the other, for example by not shaking hands and standing at least 1 meter away. Thank you for watching.